from Jnanaganga English Medium School. Every morning, when we wake up from the bed, first thought that comes in our mind that what should I prepare for the breakfast or tiffin. Today, I am going to solve your problem by showing you one fast, quick recipe with few ingredients, that is masala lachha parotha.
Wow, Radhika! Wow, what are you doing now?
I am going to show you lachha parotha. How to prepare with few ingredients. It is very tasty.
Now show me your ingredients.
See here, have a look everyone. 2 tablespoons mekut, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Instead of red chili powder, you can use onion garlic chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt and sugar. Coriander clean and finely chopped. This is dough. Wheat, take wheat atta, add salt, oil and knead it with water. Grease it with oil, cover it and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now mix all these ingredients together and make a masala. This is our lachha parotha masala. Now take a small ball from the dough. Okay. Now this is wheat flour. You can use rice flour also. Dust it with it and roll a small chapati. Roll a small chapati. Okay. जो खाना हंसते खेलते बनता है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा और टेस्टी होता है. Now see, this is ghee. You can use oil, ghee or butter also. Okay, spread it on this paratha. Like this. Now this is our masala. Sprinkle masala evenly on this parotha. And this is coriander. Instead of coriander, you can use fenugreek or spinach also. This is also sprinkled on it. Yes, it is very colorful also. And fold it like this. जैसा हम फैन फोल्ड बनाते हैं, वैसा इसका फोल्ड लेना है. Okay, like this. Put little bit ghee on it. Press both the side and roll this like chakli. Like this. Okay, and the end press it on here. Now dust it in wheat flour or rice flour. See how it looks now?
Very nice.
Now roll it again. See, she is Nisha. She is going to help me today.
And I want to eat also.
Yeah, I am going to give you all. It looks pretty, na?
Yes.
And tasty also. Now, see, this is our paratha ready. Now grease a pan with oil, ghee or butter. Okay, and place this and roast this paratha from both the sides till it turns light brown color. Okay. children should like it very nicely. See.
आपल्या मुलांना खूप आवडेल नाही?
हा, खूप आवडेल. आणि काय एकदम छान होतं, क्रिस्पी क्रंची. थोडं करूया का आपण? Okay, see. Now our parotha is ready. Crispy, crunchy parotha with a few ingredients. No need of sauce, chutney or pickle. You can eat like this also. You can give it in tiffin also. With this, you can give cucumber and one sweet, that is laddu.
Wow, yummy.
Our breakfast or tiffin is ready within half an hour. जब कभी कोई घर में मेहमान आते हैं तो हमारे पास सब्जी नहीं होता है, अभी लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में we are not getting vegetable, you prepare this parotha. Thank you. झालं का?
डायरेक्शन आमचे.
I made crispy, crunchy, tasty masala lachha paratha for students. Now what you are going to show?
We are going to make a white sauce.
Yes.
2 tablespoons of maida, 1 bowl of milk, butter, salt for taste, mixed herbs and cheese for white sauce. And after that, we are adding these all vegetables in the sandwiches. So let's start making our sandwiches. Yes, please switch on that.
Okay. क्या मीडियम हीट लो पे लेना है या
नहीं, low.
लो?
Now, first we are add the 1 tablespoon of butter in this pan.
Okay.
And then 2 tablespoons of maida. 2 tablespoons of maida. Please can you add that?
Add milk. See, this is milk. I'm going to add here.
Please add.
You need more? See? Okay now?
Yes. इसको अच्छे से मिलाना.
ये लम्स नहीं रहना चाहिए इसमें. Okay. When we are going to add this mixture
Salt. Yes, you can
and
add.
salt, now how much? Okay, this much?
As per the taste.
Now I am going to add mixed herbs.
Yes.
निशा टीचर ने बोला है कितना इंग्रेडिएंट्स
थोड़ा
लेना
ही
है.
डालना. थोड़ा ही डालना. ठीक है. Now we are adding the cheese.
Okay, we are going to grate it.
Now.
Yummy, huh?
And it tastes
And
also
smell
yummy.
भी इतना अच्छा आ रहा है.
Now our white sauce is ready. So now we are going to add these vegetables. First of all, we are adding capsicum and cabbage. बच्चे कैबेज खाते नहीं ना, इसीलिए हम लोग इसमें डाल रहे हैं कि खा जाए. And then carrot and boiled corns. Okay, so this is ready. Our vegetables, all these vegetables, and yes, look here how it is. It's look colorful, no?
Yes.
Yes, they like actually. Now we are taking this in this bowl. All these vegetables, all these ingredients in this bowl. So these are the whole wheat bread slice. So we can apply first here butter, little bit butter on this slice, and take a 1 tablespoon of this white sauce veggie.
It is colorful.
And take 1 more
बच्चे तो खाए, बच्चे तो खाएंगे, बिल्कुल मना नहीं करेंगे.
हाँ, अरे बच्चे क्या, बड़े भी बहुत अच्छे से खाते हैं.
मैंने पहले भी बोला है, जो खाना हंसते खेलते बनता है
वो अच्छा ही रहता है. So now we are applying butter on this both side and put it in the toaster. If you are not having toaster, it is put it on a pan also. Yes, चलो तब तक हम लोग दूसरा बना लें. Please add that.
Okay. Evenly I have to spread it, no? ये देखा तो मुंह में पानी आ गया पूरा.
Because it is colorful, no? That's why they like actually. बच्चे बूढ़े सभी खा सकेंगे, ऐसा वाला है. Now let's check.
ये भी बाजू में रखेंगे.
Now our 2 sandwiches ready for eating.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now can give that tipping because we are making for students, no?
Yes.
For our children, so it is easy. So first of all, here I am going to put here grapes, whatever fruits are available in our house. That fruits, salad, they like actually colorful tiffin. That's why we are making this sandwiches and all those things. Yes,
one is ready, no?
One sandwich is ready. Yes. Now it is ready for eat. So we are keeping in this tiffin box, and if you want to add a sauce or whatever the things, please add this. Okay, this is ready sandwich for our children. Yes.
And this is my masala lachha paratha.
Wow. And this is fast recipe. In the morning you can make very fastly.